welcome to Owen's Kitchen.
Today I'm going to make beef and mushroom puff pastry. Here I have a 400 grams of beef topside and I have cut them in small size. I got 2 medium onions, 250 grams of chestnut mushrooms. You can use any mushroom you like. I have some herbs, 2 bay leaves, dry marjoram and mixed herbs. In here, 1 beef and chicken stock cube, adding 700 milliliters of hot water. I'm going to just stir it and leave it aside. My next step going to be seasoning meat, adding some salt and peppers and 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Now into the pan, I'm adding a little bit of oil, then going to sear the meat 2 to 3 minutes of each side. Now into the pot, I'm going to fry the onions until they are softened. Add mushrooms, cook for a few minutes. Now I'm adding leftovers flour. Cook this flour for another few minutes. Now ready to put the meat back into the pot. Add bay leaves, herbs, some black peppers with stock. Then I'm going to give a good stir and bring to a boil. Now I'm going to turn down the heat, put the lid on, let it cook for about 2 hours or until the sauce has thickened and the meat gets tender, and don't forget to stir them every 5 to 10 minutes. This is almost ready. Taste the sauce. If you need more salt, you can add. Turn off the heat. I'm going to leave this for a few hours before adding to my puff pastry. Next step, I'm going to dust some plain flour. Here I have a ready-made puff pastry. This is quick and easy. I can speed up the time. I'm going to cut the puff pastry sheet into circle and squares, then place few tablespoons of beef filling mixture. My filling is completely done. Now I'm going to score the top. This will allow the steam to escape. Next, I'm going to brush this with the egg wash. That's going to be glassy look. Lastly, I'm going to bake this at 180 Celsius. This will take about 30 minutes or until puff pastry turns into a nice golden brown. Beef and mushroom puff pastry now ready to eat. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you soon.